Rolling.
Yeah.
Alright guys, Jeff here with a fan video. Reece joining me over video chat, even though you probably can't see him right now.
Hey.
He's got something covering his camera. I don't know what it is. There you go.
Fan bro, I'm using a fan from
Oh.
So
Alright.
anyways, yeah, so you guys, something or two.
Alright, so we are testing, I'm going to let Reece say what it is, because he's, what is this?
The Halsey FASCO Designhouse. They're basically all the same, but it's basically just a FASCO Gulf labeled Designhouse made by Halsey.
FASCO, Gulfstream, Designhouse, same thing. Or very similar thing, I guess. So this is a childhood fan of Reece's, or a very close one. The Gulfstream was the actual version that was his childhood with, what is it, slightly different blades that it has on it?
Yeah.
So this was a close second that we were able to find. It came from a buy-sell trade group on Facebook, actually. It was really random. I haven't found very many fans on those, but this one happened to pop up, and turned out it was exactly what he was looking for. So I was able to grab it for a pretty reasonable price. Bring it back here. I'll be bringing it to North Fond du Lac when I make it up there to visit, which will probably be in March. But in the meantime, we're going to test it out. So it runs pretty well. I had to do a little bit of blade iron straightening on it when I first got it.
And I think the reverse switch is...
Yes, the reverse switch has some issues. We'll see if it wants to work properly for us right now. But we've been having some issues going between forward and reverse, where we'll go to reverse and then it won't go back to forward. It'll just go to off when you turn to forward and you have to push it down. So maybe some contact cleaning in there. Worst case scenario is the new switch. So let's see here. I know Reece likes to start these. You want me to start it on low?
Yes.
All right. So here we're gonna do 3 pulls. It's gonna start on low and downdraft.
Yep, I can see it.
Perfect.
It's looking, looks like the wobble has been nice and straightened out.
Well, we're not on high yet, but it definitely is not wobbling at all on low. Kind of a fast low, don't you think?
Can't wait to bring this home so I can install this. Can't bring that home. Can't wait to get it so I can install it.
Where's this one going?
My parents, like the master bedroom is like my parents' room. I'm gonna put like a 4-light in my room.
Cool.
It may not be what my childhood fan had on it, like it'll look good on it. It'll look pretty nice.
Yeah, the childhood fan didn't have any light kit, right? Wasn't it just installed with none?
No. Yeah, it was at
At an Arby's?
Yeah, it was at an Arby's. And then one day when I went back there, they had taken it out, and I was kind of sad. I was pretty sad because I'd always been planning to get those. And I actually hadn't thought about if I had gotten them earlier, I could have put 2 of those in Hungry's.
Those would have been a good fit for Hungry's for sure.
Yeah, because they were because they would have been matched pairs instead of, similar fans. Oh, someone posted some. But anyways,
So let's take this thing up to medium, since we don't want to have a 10-minute long YouTube video. So there she's going on medium. Pretty much your standard builder grade fan, in my opinion. I mean, it moves some air, it runs smoothly, but not a Casablanca.
would you get what category would you put it in? Spinner motor hunter?
Actually, I don't know if that's a good one for me to compare it to, because I don't know if I've tested one of those in a while. But yeah, I'd say maybe. It sounds like the motor has a little bit more noise than the Hunters. It almost seems like.
What about, how about Taiwan, what about, spinner motor or skeleton motor original? Would it be in that category?
No, it's not nearly that strong.
Those are, I don't even know if that's true. But anyways, yeah. I'm just so excited. I'm so hyped to get it. Just can't wait. So excited. I'm also getting a polished brass 48 852 from this guy right here. He's a great guy. Go subscribe to his channel.
All right, so
Yeah.
let's go up to full speed on this thing and see how let's see how our wobble is. I think we're still going to be pretty wobble free on it. Yep, I would say that's wobble free. There might be a. I don't even think it's worth adjusting at this point. It's so smooth. The blades are a little out of clock when I got the fan, and I measured them, got everything straightened back up, and it seems to be running real well. So.
Here's what I was just gonna mention. Weird thing is that this had 2 different names in the FASCO catalog. For the earlier versions were called Gulfstream, and then the newer versions before they stopped selling them with the G, that's called the Home Builder. So they kind of had So
would this be? This would be the later version, right?
It might be. It's hard to tell. It's called a Gulfstream or like a home Gulfstream or Home Builder. It's pretty much what they are. Yeah.
All right, so let's we'll turn it off and do a spin down. And maybe we'll try it in reverse. I don't know. We haven't had much luck with that.
Yeah.
We can probably get it into reverse and then it won't go back forward again.
This guy right here is awesome. He's a good friend of mine. He's done a lot of stuff for me. I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff for him, like finding fans he wants.
Yep, Reece is gonna trade me 2 originals for this thing.
Wait, what?
Just kidding.
I said that.
Nope, no, I was kidding.
Good, because I would like never trade that for anything.
You probably would though. You would trade it for this if you had to. If it was the only way for you to get one, you would trade it for sure.
Maybe. It's a maybe.
Oh, hi Chaz.
Oh, your cat.
Yep, he came down. I don't think he got in the video. We can grab him. He hasn't been in a YouTube video yet, I don't think.
Yeah, I don't think he has.
Oh, so this is Chaz. You may see him in future videos. He's pretty cool. He's got thumbs. And he puts up with me.
Oh, did he just meow? I heard him.
He did. He's kind of talkative sometimes. I think his friend might be outside here. Is your friend out there, buddy? Hey, watch out for my blade irons. I just straightened all those. This is why you don't have cats out when you're working on fans. Alright, so let's try this thing in reverse and see
That sounds pretty legit. I'm not having animals out when you're working on blade arms.
Alright, so we got it, went to reverse, which is good, because I wasn't sure if it was going to. Which, like I said, it probably won't go back forward now, but...
It's got kind of a wonky reverse switch. Or it was wonky, but this guy right here got it fixed.
It's still kind of wonky. We'll see. We can get it fixed, or we'll just put a different one in. But it's still a little funky right now.
He has a lot of fans for sale. Buy from him.
Yes, buy all my fans, please. All the ones for sale.
You need space. This guy needs space.
I do, especially when I keep storing new fans for you. Now there's going to be what is it, 4 that you're up to that I have to bring to Fond du Lac, plus Aiden's stuff?
4?
2 KDKs. And then this thing. Is that right?
Yeah, I've done a lot. Yeah, I've done a lot for you. You've done a lot for me. So there's
up to high. A little bit more wobble on reverse, and That could just be the fact that it's in the small room. Maybe it needs a little more balancing. Well, it's not wobbling on downdraft, but there is a little bit here on reverse. So, fortunately, I don't use my fans in reverse very often. I don't know about you, but
That's okay. I'll live with the wobble. I can live with it.
or we can just fix it.
Or we could just keep it like that because I'm perfectly okay with it.
All right, easier for me. So let's turn this thing off and do a spin down in reverse, and then we'll end this video because I want to hang up the R52 that I just got, and this one is.
I'll also test out the Ordi 852 while you're at it.
I maybe we'll do that one another day. I don't know if I want to do that one today. We'll get there. We'll get the Ornate 852 tested for sure. But I've been excited since I got that R52. I've been wanting to play with it and give it a try. So that might be what comes up next. I've never had one before.
I don't always like ceiling fans, but when I do, they're usually cool.
You? Not all ears are cool. Or is that supposed to be a joke?
I don't always have childhood fans, but when I do, sometimes they're builders. Like they're big fans. That kind of expresses me.
We'll have to make a meme of those.
Yeah, I've been made a meme now.
He is. If you go out and search Reece the Fanboy, make some memes for us.
Go on meme generator. You'll find me.
Alright, well I'm going to cancel this video after the spin down. Reece, you want to sign off?
Bye!
Alright. Thanks for watching. If you guys enjoyed, subscribe to the channel for more fan-related content.